Oh man, what's up, what's good guys? It is a wet day, which definitely is fitting of the vibe of today's video. I'm here live in the flesh with the boy Lil Kinky Twist. And today we're doing the much anticipated, heavily not requested trip to the Thrift women's edition. Now this isn't where I'm just shopping for clothes for the ladies. This is where I'm shopping for clothes for myself in the thrift store, but I'm limiting myself to only the women's section. So I'm gonna try and build male outfits, or at least somewhat transition via the thrift. Perfect. So yeah, this is what's going down today. I got my stylist Lil Kinky Twist in the building. So hopefully he doesn't do me too dirty. Or maybe hopefully he does, huh? Without further ado, man, we're gonna hit the thrift. Shout out to everyone shopping on the website. Drop in the comments, you guys know what time it is. And for everyone who watched yesterday's video, it definitely is worth a watch. But enough chit chat, let's get in the first spot. Hey, this is what I meant when I said it was wet. Bro, I'm getting rained on, but I got the red mask on because it's the closest thing to lipstick that I could find, bro. Salvation Army. Where do you think we should start with this woman's outfit?
Well, obviously, where any good outfit should start. The draw section.
The draw section.
Tripping.
Bro, I'm thinking we should start from the ankle up, despite the draws being a great option. Dog, I'm kind of digging these, bro. I mean, they got the flowers, they got the moons, the frill.
But will they fit?
Bro, these are pregnant people pants, right? Oh, and they high-waisted so they can yank up on the family jewels?
Oh my God!
All right.
Perfect.
Perfect. This is how you figure out if something will fit your waist. Is you gotta string it around the neck. And if it connects in the front, it'll fit. Bingo.
Oh my God!
Damn, I just lost like half the dreads on this. Looking like Lil Yachty's hair.
Chill.
All right, so what do you think the vibe is based on the pedal count of these pants?
Straight up, hippie fit.
Hippie fit?
Hippie fit. You at Woodstock.
Some people call me the space cowboy.
Hold on, I see these calling my name. Since I'm going bohemian hippie, I definitely think I need a straw hat. Well, they got that big one. They got this one. They got the titty cup. Oh, and this one even, oh, this one has embroidery. Oh, that's detailed. This one, I think the big one, bro.
So what are y'all vibing with more? The petite, sturdy, or the flaccid hat?
This is more like swimming pool, huh? But I can cock it up like this too. Look like I'm from the prairie. Okay, so pants, check. Even though they're falling apart. Whoops. Hat, double check. And now we need that blouse. What we looking at?
We got a couple options.
Hey, that one's fire though.
Yeah.
This one looks like definitely someone off the acid would probably rock this. And it's chaps too, no iron, wrinkleless.
We got the blouse.
Oh man, that's a nice blouse right there. That one is like bejeweled too. Oh my, I feel like I'm in a quartz mine.
Bro, you be showing off a little titty cleavage.
Oh, just a little bit. Hey, which one you think is better?
Definitely this one.
But this one got the jewelry though. That one's glistening, bro.
It is iced out.
That's iced out VVS. Wow. All right, we got another chaps option. Paisley that. Floral encrusted. Goes with the vibe of the pants. Hold on, now bro, this is some continuity happening. The peacock? Oh, that might be it too. Luckily, I did come prepared with the 3 times too small t-shirt.
This looking like the one.
It is? It look good?
It look good.
Hold on, let me do a little twirl. Dude, I'm about to rip this shirt.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, dude, I can't even get my arms down. Bro, hey, this shit taking me hostage. You think I'm gonna get the job at the interview, bro?
Dressed like that? Hell yeah.
Hey, it's not what you wear.
Seriously?
It's how you present yourself.
Trippy.
This is what we mean when we say we're live in the trenches. We're in the trench coat section. We gotta find something that matches this golden brown straw hat. Okay. I think this one's like the closest, and it has that silk interior.
bad.
That's like pumpkin pie colored. Little crust on the outside. Okay. All right. Ooh, and it's high fashion, bro. One button. That's all you need. So I'm not getting the job now. High key. How I look, bro?
Bro, you look amazing.
It has a little shoulder pads too, so you can hit stick somebody. Oh my God! High key, I could just leave in the prom dress.
Bro, you're not putting on another dress.
Why not?
Because
By the end of the day, I will be wearing a dress. That's just how this works, bro. Guys, look at this fit option as well. You're gonna pull out the Thrift looking like Dracula. They have the golden little embezzlement with the matching hat to boot. It has these little bad boys on it too. Little balls on it. Dude, come on, man. Leave the thrift store looking like Zorro. Blouse, hat, accessories. We need to accessorize. Nah, that's like 2000s fit. Oh. Look, these are clean and they're still feminine with the like pink Oakley tint. No lie, the bifocal section will leave me looking like a fly. Period. Oh, I swear, these is the ones, bro. I'm telling you. This is new wave bohemian. Okay, so I think these are definitely the one, but I definitely need to upgrade the fit with some chains as well. What you think? Ooh, the chili peppers? Hold on, I kind of like this one. I mean, the white's clean too. We need to at least attempt to match. Here, drape those puka shells on there. Oh yeah, man. That looks good, bro. And it even kind of matches this color just like a little bit. 2 shades off. All right, guys, we're loaded up. Moment of truth.
I once heard a man say that peacocks can't fly. Well, let me tell you this. That man was a goddamn liar. Now this bad man right here, he's not only style, he's not grace, but he's the spirit of a peacock.
All right, guys, so real talk. What y'all think of the fit though, man? Huh? You like that? Dude, these pants, I'm not even gonna lie, are more comfortable than any pair of lightly tapered men's jeans I've ever worn. They fit me perfectly in the waist. We have no real crotch grabbage happening. And bro, I mean, this fit works with or without the jacket. And that's what I'm telling y'all, Dad Nabbit. I think we low-key did our thing with the limited circumstances we had. Kinky, what do you think of the fit, bro?
I think it's fantastic. I think it looks good on you.
Thank you. I have no mask on. Trippy. All right, one thing about this store, bro, is they got the flavors of pants.
Hey, I'm trying to vibing with these.
You vibing with these? Oh, those are cozy too. We could go with like the nurse fit. But look at this, they got the mustard. They got the pinks, the greens. The pants section in the women's is way more lit than the men's, and they have the little corduroy exclusives. Oh, I know these would fit around my neck. All right, man, something about these baggy pants is calling my name. We're thinking of maybe doing a sporty chick fit, sporty chick thrift fit, right? Yeah, something like that. Or doing just like a cozy vibe, but I like the blue corduroy. So we'll see, we'll put a couple things aside. Maybe we'll come up with even 2 thrift fits in one store. Oh, the women's section hits different when it comes to comfort levels, bro. Exactly, and y'all can be rocking like the baggy stuff like this, and even the tight stuff. If it's made of this material, that's like petting the underbelly of a possum, except a baby one where it's still cute. All right, guys, we found something, man. This is like a 90s all over print hoodie. Perfect. Oh yeah. I'm feeling this. $5. I'm feeling this right here.
Bro, I got a lot of shit in my
Yo, the homie Southern Made Vintage is in the building, and he found some stuff in this spot. Hold on, man. Unveil the porn star shirt, bro.
Let's start
First
with
of all, essential Nike. You know that. Get that little appetizer in. Okay,
Yeah.
$2, and then I love to screw the infamous 99-cent porn star tee. Bro, we shooting videos in more than one way, bro. He found the California raisins. I heard it through the grapevine. Having a grape time bars in Boston. That is amazing. I love dried fruit. And then what else? Oh, he also found the Looney Tunes denim jacket. This man came through, Dad Nabbit. That's fire, bro.
It rained out, bro.
Damn, bro. Hey, man. When it rains on one spot, it pours in the other. Yeah. In a good way. That's fire, bro. Yeah. Hell yeah. Y'all go fuck with the mans. All right, man, we found something in the women's section, man. The jacket section, we have the 3XL super elongated denim-ish jacket. All right, so got the white. We'll go with the crispy cocaine of the snowman, and then maybe we'll have that Arctic chill on the pants. And this is like Houston Oilers colorway, bro.
It's H-Town, Texas, Braeswood, baby.
A time-tested, true classic color scheme. All right, I feel like this might fit like ass. All right, we got the little hoodie on, but obviously it's exposing way too much bare wrist.
Oh my God!
So we gotta layer it, bro. Anytime
you layer something, it just tastes better, it looks better. Still got the little burgundy on burgundy. Still got some wrist, just not as much.
Bro, they have the absurdly petite jeans.
Bro, I think those will fit.
What's up?
I think those will fit.
Ooh, these will be tight. I feel like I'm choking myself.
Bro, try the other ones.
Bro, these other ones? Bro, these gonna cut off my circulation, bro.
Bro, that fit.
Hey, these might be the ones, man. They have those very detailed high fashion seams. They have a little lion on the tag, and they're expandable. Oh man,
bro,
like
are those choking?
No, not at all. I wish, right? Hey? All right, these might be an option. Okay, so the Oilers fit might need some scarf action. So, or a little beanie, you know, something icy. I'm thinking we're gonna go with the blue scarf. Yes, sir, indeed. Okay, wait, they got the essential black beanie. I might use that for the other outfit.
Perfect.
We'll see. Oh, my camera's about to die. Fudge monkey. Boy, howdy, guys. All right, we're out of there. A couple of big old bags of stuff. Women's outfits for men. Trunk is popped. They're in there. Let's get home and try these things out.
Welcome to Thriftoria's Secret Fashion Show. Coming hot down the runway, and outfit number 1 is the degenerate cousin everyone has. This man is rocking Dijon mustard yellow pants, a red jacket, and a hoodie. He is style. Look at those shades, look at that neck, and oh my god, he's smoking the devil's lettuce. Oh, is that the helicopter? What a move. Someone asked, does he have too many hoes to handle? Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that hip work. Outfit number 2 is God knows what. Looks like something escaped from the nursing home. This guy looks like the ultimate collab between a Hood 2002 white wannabe rapper and a cult leader. This man is in the most obscure drapey clothing, and oh my god, he is summoning something. Someone get this ISIS collaborator out of my fashion house. Oh, get out of here. Go on, you bootleg wannabe icicle-looking Santa helper. Peace out. This has been another Thriftoria's Secret Fashion Chat.
And there it is, guys. So hopefully y'all did enjoy today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Get this to 3,000 likes, please, because we put a lot of time and effort into this bad boy. And maybe next time we'll get kinky in some women's outfits. You feel me? But anyways, live the dream, eat that ice cream. Check out thrifthavenvintage.com and never limit yourself to any section in the thrift. Live the dream, eat that ice cream, and also remember, always eat the booty. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.